To fully enjoy Dubai, you need approximately 6 full days. Let's start by doing some bargain hunting at Dubai's commercial business district in Daira. This is home to the world's famous traditional open market. If you're coming from city center, you can transfer onto a green line from interchange station at Union or Verge and get off at Al Ras or Gold Souk station. Well, we arrived at the station and heading out to the first destination, which is the Souq. Finally, I got out the metro station right here, Al Ras. So I am pretty certain the Souq is only a couple minutes walk from here. So let's get going. The Old Souk Dubai is located on the southern side of the Dubai Creek at Bur Dubai. First established in 1850, the market became the largest and the most important in the area due to its direct connectivity with the harbor on the creek. This connection enabled it to receive merchandise from African and Indian cargo ships. Today, the Souq continues to be the commercial center for the residents and tourists alike. The word Souq actually means a traditional market or the old market in Arabic, and here in Dubai you can pretty much find anything you're looking for. And it's actually really spread out. Down there is actually Souk, there's also Mattress Souk. If you keep going this way, there's also Textile Souk. If you keep going, we get to hit the famous Gold Souk, which I'm sure I'm able to find my bling bling with a deal. One advice I have to say is make sure if you're going to come out to an open air attractions activity like this, come early in the morning because Dubai do get really hot by the time it gets to 11 a.m. But that being said, let's go and check out and see if I can find our deal. These traditional bazaars provide a compelling sense of the past. As you can see, sand-colored walls, high wooden doors, building made from sand-colored stones, and wooden roofs essentially take you back in time to the heart of the old Dubai. This is a real glimpse into the old Dubai era, giving a fascinating glimpse into a UAE's rich history and heritage. This is where the visitors seeking to experience a true, authentic Arabian journey and find unique items at an unbeatable price. Pretty much anything. But get ready for one thing. Get ready to be hustled and haggled. No kidding. Oh, thank you. Endless type of Souq. This is probably take you quite... Hello. Friendly people. It's going to probably take you... That's all good, don't worry. I'll come back, thank you. Promise. It's going to take you at least like half a day to explore Souq. Offering goods ranging from the rare fabrics and silk to the exotic perfumes and spices, depending on the section of the Souq. As one of the executive runway producers and director of the official New York Fashion Week, there's no surprise which section I'll be checking out first. Now I'm here at the Textile Souk, and this is where you can find every type of fabrics. Here's a rule. Make sure to bargain and bargain hard, and that is part of the local experience. And for those of you who's starting your own collections, make sure to give me a call when you're done because I'm also a runway director for the New York Fashion Week official show, and I'm looking forward to showcase your collections.
Hi, my friend, I am here, my friend.
Yes.
Jungle say. Tea. And this is for my friend. Turmeric tea, this is
The Spice Souk features over 150 retailers where you find the top chefs, home cooks, and savvy expats all swearing by their personal picks among the colorful stack of spices, herbs, rice, and dry fruits. Score some high-quality saffron strands at a local price. Taste the fresh organic dates and locally blended teas. You're sure to discover an exotic new flavor. And yes, you can even sample before you buy. Oh yeah.
And this is fish masala. And this is same cherry, it is turmeric, and this is fish masala.
However, among all the suits, the Gold Souk got to be the most important among all. This is where you can grab some spectacular bling blings to impress the ladies. So, get ready to max out your platinum credit card. This souk is actually home to 380 traders and shops, and some of them as old as 4 decades. And it's also home to the World Guinness record for the most heaviest ring ever sold, which weighs 64 kilograms. Now that is what I call heck of a bling bling. It's also one of the largest bazaars in the world, and you'll find fine jewelries, watches, gemstones, and silver, and even dresses made of gold. This souk is best known for its highly competitive gold price. People from all over the world visit the Gold Souk knowing that they can haggle. Oh yes, bargain for the best price within a friendly and welcoming environment. So, good luck on finding that great bargain. Head over to one of the museums, which apparently is supposed to be free. Let's go and check it out. First museum in Dubai. Our journey continues to take us back in time. Built in 1923 at a narrow lane at the edge of the Old Souk, the Museum of the Poet Oqaili is one of the best preserved and the most beautiful heritage house in Dubai. Owned by one of the most prominent poets and luminaries of Dubai, the poet brought a group of skilled builders from the Al Asla region in the east of the Arabian Peninsula to build this house. The house was built using coral stones, plaster, chandel wood, teak wood, fronds and trunks of palm trees, as well as traditional building material, surouge. The museum consists of 9 main wings: Oqaili's life, his eloquent poetry, his Nabatean poetry, his correspondence, his cultural and social life, his manuscript, his matches, the house restoration and writing about Oqaili, as well as a valuable collection of documents, correspondence, and his commandments. In addition, the original document of poems, some of which is in his own handwriting. The other objects on display are valuable set of collections, personal tools belonging to the poet, furnitures and household items, which are considered precious artifacts representing the era from the last quarter of the 19th century until the first half of the 20th century in the region. You are even served a free coffee and candies during your visit. How nice.